Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Wherever you're watching me from. It's good to be back here. So today I'm going to be talking about a combination that could actually endanger your life. A combination that is not safe for you. That's to put it lightly. And before I jump into it, let me just say a very big thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to everyone that is a returning subscriber. Thank you for constantly engaging with my videos. Thank you for allowing me to be in your space. Is really an honor and a privilege. So I'll jump right into it. And I'm talking about the combination of Jik, your detergent, and Harpic. All of these things, right, are pharmaceutical products that they are cleaning agents, right, and you can use them to clean your bathroom and your toilet. So something happened to me yesterday. I mixed all three and poured it into my toilet, and when I was scrubbing the bathroom, and I started to notice that I had this choky, I was choking actually. I was actually choking, and then my eyes were peppery sort of. And I remember that something like this had happened to someone close to me, and I was the one that was called to actually provide a solution. So I actually asked the person to step out and get some fresh air first. So this combination, the three together, is really not good for you, right? It comes together, and if you do not get fresh air as soon as possible, only God knows what will happen. So if you're going to be cleaning your bathroom or your toilet this weekend, ensure to use this cleaning agent separately. Mix your detergent with water, wash. When you're done, mix your Hypo or your Jik, in whatever case, with water, disinfect. And if you still want to use your Harpic, you can just put it in your toilet and leave it for some minutes, then come back and flush it. This way your toilet is clean, you are safe, and we are all good. So the aim of putting out this video, the aim of this channel, is actually to ensure that we provide answers, correct every medication errors. This may not be a drug, but it's actually a pharmaceutical product, and I want to see you be healthy and safe while you're using any pharmaceutical product, whether it is your drug, your beauty products, spices, whatever it is. I hope this has helped someone. If this has helped you, don't keep this information to yourself. Like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe. And while you're at it, have a beautiful weekend. Thank you. Bye.